silent years beneath the ground, but my name's a fire remembered. Froze the skies, the waiting birds, still alive, the living dream in depths. Every spark I was gone, was only resting in the dawn. This is a return of living dream, rising bright through the sky and within every star that once went dim now burns again from deep within. This is a return, the breath of flame calling softly my true name. What was leaving now can see the living dream return through me. Broken hours fade to light, still the heart refused the night. Every step through dust and stone led me back to what I own. Quiet seeds beneath the sky, wait to but them body rise through earth scene like the voice of a living dream. This is a return of living dream, breaking through eternity. Every dream that once was still, nothing was unstoppable. This is rise, the truth I claim, the reborn's bond, the endless flame.